Where is the Chrome download folder on iPhone? If you've downloaded a file using Google Chrome on your iPhone but can't find where it went, don't worry, I'll show you exactly where to find your Chrome downloads, so let's get started. The easiest way to find the downloads is inside the Chrome app itself. Just open Google Chrome on your iPhone and tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner. From there, select Downloads. Here, you'll see all your recently downloaded files. Just tap on any file to open it. If your file isn't in Chrome's download section, it's most likely saved in the Files app. Open the Files app and tap on Browse. Go to On My iPhone and from there simply go to Chrome. Look a folder called Downloads, or here you can simply find all the downloaded files. And that's it. Now you know exactly where to find your Chrome downloads on iPhone.